Good morning, guys. Good morning. I don't know what's happening on YouTube. I don't know when I schedule a meeting when it's time to start the meeting. It just I don't just know. It doesn't just work. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know why. I've created several links and it still fail. Okay, so this time around I just had to come on live. Okay, I just had to come on live. This one is not a scheduled meeting, so I don't know. I will get to fix the issue later. I don't know why that is happening. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Sure, you are having a great time. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Please, if you can share the link with your friends. Okay, please share the link with them. Share the link with them. I can't do that right now. Please, you can share it in the groups. If you can, please do share the link with others. Please. I'm trying to see if I can share it, but I can't find the option to share. I can't find the option to share. So please, if you can, please help share with others. Morning. So how's been trading? How has been trading? You can hear me. If you can hear me, I would like to see your comments. If you can hear me, I would like to see your comments. How has been trading? Yesterday was Monday, and price movement was very slow yesterday. There wasn't much volatility in the markets yesterday. It was a very slow market, and I know many of you didn't trade yesterday, and for those of you who trade, I believe you manage your trades well. I hope you manage your trades well. Okay. So what are we looking at today? What pair are you considering trading today? Please let me know. Good morning, Mr. Oludu. Please, if you're on the WhatsApp group, you can let me share the link. Share the link with others, please. The link I dropped on the WhatsApp group didn't work. Please help me share the link with others. If you can, please do share the link with others. Thank you. So what pair are you considering trading today? Let me know in the comment section. So let's start by looking at gold. Yesterday, I told you guys my bias for gold was bullish. Okay, for yesterday market, and my bias for the week for gold is bearish. So let's see what's happening on gold at the moment. Let's start with the daily time frame. How yesterday candle closed will determine the direction for today's market. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Oludu. Thank you very much. Thank you. So like I told you, my expectation yesterday on gold was bullish. It bought yesterday, but wasn't that the move wasn't that much. Okay, it wasn't that much. So today so far, it's been a range on gold. It's been ranging on gold. So let's see. Yesterday candle closed bullish. It is likely gold will clear the liquidity residing at these areas. It is likely before going bearish. If I judge morning before going bearish, it is likely gold will clear this liquidity. That's my thoughts on gold. You can see yesterday candle closed like it looks like an hammer. It looks like an hammer, and after the close of that yesterday candle, let's go down to lower time frame. You can see the pattern we had on lower time frame also. This is a bullish reversal pattern. This is a bullish reversal pattern. So today I'm still expecting gold to go bullish. That's my expectation on gold. Okay, I'm expecting gold to go bullish. That's my expectation on gold today. Okay, so at what point should one consider buying? What price would be good or best for buying gold? Let's see. Let's go down to lower time frame. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, so this is what we had on 1 hour. So if you want to buy gold, I would suggest liquidity was residing at this low yesterday, and this morning they've cleared this liquidity. Okay, so if you want to buy gold, wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form. On 1 hour, you see the previous 1 hour candle. You can see it's an hammer. After liquidity got cleared at this low, we also had liquidity reside at this equal low. Okay, and the price is currently also at this support. Good morning, Mr. Godswill. Good morning. Thanks for joining. So price is currently at this support level. So before you buy gold, wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form. I'm believing that gold would clear this liquidity residing at this previous high. That's my expectation of gold. But for the week, my bias still remains bearish. Okay. I think we have a major news that will be released today. Have you checked the calendar today? I think there's a major news that will be released by 1:30 or 2:30. Let's confirm. Let's check. Okay, let's see. I think there's a major news. A major news will be released today. Okay, no, today is Tuesday. No major news for US dollar. Okay, no major news for US dollar. We only expect two major news today from Great Britain and from Canada. Climate count change will be released today from, okay, it has been released 7 a.m. and it was positive for pounds. It was positive for pounds. So we expect pounds to gain value, to be bullish. We expect the pound sterling to be bullish, okay, because the news favored pounds. It was released 7 a.m. and by 1:10 p.m. the Bank of Canada governor will be speaking, okay, by 1:10 p.m. So if you're considering trading Canadian pairs, if you're considering trading Canadian pairs, I would suggest you wait for this major news to be released because it's going to drive the market. Okay, it's going to drive the market. So you could wait for this news to be released before you execute your trade on card pairs. Okay, so let's go back to the chart. So that's my take on gold. I'm considering buying gold today, okay? But we need to see a bullish reversal pattern form on 1 hour or 4-hour time frame before we go bullish. I hope that is clear. If there's any pair you want us to look at together, please drop it in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know. Drop it in the comment section. Okay, let's move to the next pair. Let's see GU. A major news was released for Great Britain. Pounds, okay. So you can see, I think this was when the news got released. This candle you see here, when the news got released, yeah, this was the candle. So you can see it was bullish. Immediately the news got released, GBP USD went bullish. You can see it went bullish. So let's see how yesterday candle closed. Let's see how it closed. So you can see yesterday candle closed strongly bearish. It closed strongly bearish. Okay, and after the close of yesterday candle, what pattern do we have on 4-hour? Let's go to 4-hour. If we are able to identify a bullish reversal pattern on 4-hour, then we should be considering buying GBP USD today. So you can see what we have on 4-hour. You can see yesterday candle. I think this was the last candle for yesterday market. This was the last candle, yeah, for yesterday market. Can you see it? This was the last candle for yesterday market, and this is an inverted hammer. Can you see that? This is an inverted hammer, and the next candle that closed as a bullish hammer, which indicates change in trend from bearish to bullish. You can see that. So so let's go down to 1 hour. Let's see what we have on 1 hour. So you can see on 1 hour a fair value gap was created here, which could be the reason for the current pullback. Can you see on 1 hour price pulled back? I think a fair value gap was created here, and that gap has been filled now. Can you see the gap has been filled? So it's likely GBP USD would go bullish from this zone. Okay, GBP USD is likely going to go bullish from this zone. So all you need to look out for is a bullish reversal pattern forming inside this zone. If a bullish reversal pattern forms inside this zone, then you should consider going bullish on GBP USD. I hope you get that. You should consider going bullish if a candle closes above the high of this zone, this gap. Wait for a bullish candle to close above the high of this gap before you buy GBP USD. Is that clear? Is that clear? Please, if you are here to like the stream, please do. Please do. I believe you're getting value from this live stream. Please give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time participating in the live stream, I appreciate you for joining. Please do subscribe to the channel so that anytime I come online, you get notified by YouTube. Please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So let's move on. So that's my take on GBP USD. I'm considering buying GBP USD. Now, if GBP USD breaks this low, please, if GBP USD breaks this support, then we should expect more bearish move on GU. If GBP USD breaks this support, we should expect more bearish move. But at the moment, GU is bullish. Okay, wait for a candle to close above the high of this fair value gap. before you buy. I hope that is clear. And if you are buying above this gap, above this level, set your stop loss 10, at least 10 pips below this low, because this low is an area of liquidity. So set your stop loss 10 pips below this low. And like I told you guys, your risk reward should not go below 1 to 1.5. So if your risk is 20 pips, you should be aiming for $30, 30 pips. If your risk is 30 pips, you should be aiming for 45 pips minimum. Minimum 45 pips. Okay? How you manage risk will determine if you would be a profitable trader long term. Okay? If you'll be profitable long term, it's your risk management that will determine that. Always remember that as a trader, you are a risk manager. Risk manager, risk manager. That's what you do for a living. You manage risk. Okay, so let's go to the next pair. Which other pair do you want us to look at? Let me know in the comment section. GBP USD. We've looked at GBP USD. Let's look at Euro Aussie or USD card. Let's look at USD card. So if you are considering buying GBP USD, then we should be considering selling USD card. But as you can see, USD card has been in a range for some time. Since last week, I guess. Since the 6th of September, USD card has been in a range and it just broke this resistance level, which indicates that we should expect more bullish move. It just broke out from this, what's it called, this resistance level, indicating that there are more demand than supply. That's what it indicates. Okay, so it could also be that they want to clear these areas of liquidity, these highs. All these highs were areas of liquidity, and it could also be that they want to clear all these highs before going bearish. Okay, so with what we have on the charts now, what I'm seeing on the chart now, USD card is bullish. Okay, but you have to be careful if you're buying USD card. You have to be careful if you're buying USD card. Okay, be careful, be careful. I expect USD card to be bearish this week. So if you are buying, know that's a short-term move, but for the week, we should expect more bearish move. I hope that is clear. 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 Which other pair do you want us to look at? So if a bearish reversal pattern form on USD card, for those who are considering selling, wait for a bearish reversal pattern to form. Preferably, the candle should close below the high of this range. The candle should close below the high of this range, this level. If you are considering selling, wait for a candle to close below this level before you sell. I hope that is clear. So let's move to Euro USD. If I says we should look at Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD, same bias with GBP USD. They are positively correlated. Okay, they are positively correlated. You can see on Euro USD, since the market opened yesterday, it has been in a range, no clear direction. Okay, so we have, this is the high. We could use this as the high of the range. We could also work with this resistance here. So this is our supply zone at the moment, and this is our demand zone at the moment. Okay, this is our supply, this is our demand. Okay, this is our demand. So we should look out for breakout from these zones. Okay, but my bias for EU is bullish, so I'm more interested in breakout from a resistance level than the breakouts on a support level. Are you getting what I'm saying? I'm more interested in breakouts from a resistance level than a support level, because my bias for Euro USD is bullish. So you might want to consider buying Euro USD above this zone. And for those who are considering selling, you might want to sell below this zone. It's simple. If you are buying above this zone, your stop loss should be 10 pips, at least 10 pips. It shouldn't be more than 15 pips below the low of this candle. And if you are selling, if you want to sell after a breakout from this support or demand zone, your stop loss should be 10, 15 pips above the high of this resistance, above this resistance. I hope that is clear. So that's my take on Euro USD. Let's see what we have on 15 minutes. So this is what we have on 15 minutes at the moment. Okay, price has been in a range, no clear direction yet. It's most likely they are waiting for the major news that will be released tomorrow. Let's check the calendar. I think there's a major news for the dollar tomorrow, and that could also be the reason for price for the price range. Okay, let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow is 11th. Okay. Okay, so I think, yeah, you can see tomorrow we have cost CPI. You can see that's the reason price has been in a range. Cost CPI. The institutions are waiting for this data to be released, and that's when they will be able to manipulate. Okay, they will be able to go for liquidities. Okay, so that's why price has been in a range. CPI. Okay, so it will be released by 1:30 p.m. tomorrow. What is the expectation? Okay, CPI, core CPI, the forecast is same as the previous. Okay, so they are not expecting increase or decrease for core CPI. Then CPI, the same thing for CPI MM. Then for CPI yearly, I think, yeah, is okay. They expect a decrease on that. Okay, so we'll see. We'll wait for the actual data to be released tomorrow to decide on which direction to follow. Okay. Let's go back to the chart. So that's my take on Euro USD. Look for buy. Look for buy, look for buy, look for buy for on Euro USD. I hope that is clarifying. Which other pair do you want us to look at? Let me know in the comment section. Which other pair do you want us to look at? Okay, let's look at DXY. What was dollar saying? What was dollar saying? What was dollar saying? Let's see. Let's start with the daily. How did yesterday candle close? Okay, so you can see here the dollar yesterday candle. Dollar closed bullish. Yesterday was bullish for the dollar. It was bullish for the dollar, and you can see where price is at the moment. Price is currently at a resistance level, right? It is currently at a resistance level, and it's possible price will pull back from that level. So after the close of yesterday candle, let's see the pattern we had on 4 hour. I believe a fair value gap was created on 4 hour. Okay, so price is likely going to pull back to fill this fair value gap that was created on 4 hour. That's my take. Price is likely going to pull back to fill this fair value gap. You can see this fair value gap that was created here. We also had the fair value gap here. You can see this gap that was created here. So these are areas price is likely going to come fill before going bullish. Okay, so that's my take on the dollar. I'm expecting dollar to be bearish today. Okay, I'm expecting dollar to be bearish today, but for the week I'm expecting dollar to be bullish long term. Okay, bearish short term, bullish long term. That's my take on DXY. You also see on DXY, you also see that a fair value gap was created here. Can you see this fair value gap? And this fair value gap could be the reason for this bullish run. Can you see this fair value gap that was created on 4 hour time frame? This bullish run here could be to fill this fair value gap, and that gap has been filled. You can see the gap, right? You can see the gap. This gap here, it has been filled. It has been filled. You can see that. So if a candle closes below this level, if a candle closes below this level, 4 hour, 1 hour time frame, then we should expect price to pull back to fill this gap on 4 hour. That's my take on the dollar. So I expect dollar to be bearish today. Bearish means dollar should be weak today. That's what it means. Okay, that's my expectation on the dollar. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Any question? Do you have any question? Is there any other pair you want us to look at? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. What are the challenges you are experiencing in trading? Let's know in the comment section. Let's know in the comment section. What are the challenges? What are the challenges? Is it FOMO, fear of missing out? What are the challenges? Let me know in the comment section. If there are no questions, I would have to end the stream. Is there any other pair you want us to look at? Let me know. Okay, let's look at one of JPY pairs. Let's look at GBP JPY. GBP JPY has been in a range, as you can see. Let's start with the daily. Daily, you can see GBP JPY has been in a range. It's been forming bullish reversal patterns, right? These are bullish reversal patterns. Okay, so right now a support has been created, and since this support has been created, we should be looking for buys until this support is broken. Until this support is broken, we should be looking for buys. Okay, on GBP JPY, we should be looking for buys. But if this support gets broken, if it's broken, then we should look for sales. But at the moment, this support is still valid. This is what is holding price at the moment. So if you want to take any risk on GJ, it will be a buy. You exit your buy when the support is broken. That is when you should exit your buy. Okay, so that is it for GJ. My bias for GJ today is bullish. Bullish until this support is broken. No sell. No sell. Okay, that's it for GJ. Someone said we should look at. I thought I've analyzed Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie. My bias for Euro Aussie. You can see how Euro Aussie closed yesterday. Okay, I think this was last Friday. Friday candle closed as a spinning top, a bullish spinning top, and after the close of a bullish spinning top, you're supposed to wait for the next candle to close bearish before you sell, right? You wait for the next candle to close bearish before you sell. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday candle closed strongly bearish, and it closed below the low of Monday spinning, last Friday spinning top, which indicates that we have more supplies than demand. It indicates that we have more bears than bulls in the market. The sellers are showing up strong. So with what we had yesterday with the candlestick pattern that formed on the chart yesterday, we should be considering selling. Okay, so this resistance is holding price right now. This resistance is holding price right now. You should consider buying when when this resistance is broken. If this resistance gets broken, then you can buy. But at the moment, it should be sell, 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 and sell only. Now, after the formation of yesterday candle, let's go down to lower time frame. It's not about just knowing the trend. You also need to know the best time and price to execute the trade. Most people know the trend, but the challenge most traders have is the right time and the best price to execute the trade. Okay, and like I do tell you guys, I told you guys, the best time to execute trade is London, New York session. Those are the best time to execute trade. London and New York session. I hope you get that. London and New York session. London sessions, I think, starts from 8 a.m. and the New York session starts by 2 p.m. I think. Yeah, London starts by 8, New York starts by 2 p.m. Okay. Trade executed from 5 p.m. Nigerian time is not, most don't play out as expected. Most don't play out. Most times you experience drawdowns on those trade. Okay, but if you're a day trader, just focus trading the London session and New York session, which starts from 8 and close by 5 p.m. Okay, so that's my take on Euro Aussie. I hope that is clear. Look for sell on Euro Aussie. Let's go down to 4 hour. So on 4 hour, you can see what we have here. We had what looked like, you can see spinning top, inverted armor, shooting star, and this next candle engulfed. You can see this bearish candle engulfed these 3 candles. You can see this is a strong indication that the bears are showing up market, and there's a high probability for price to go bearish. Okay, so that's my take. So it's likely Euro Aussie is going to drop down to this level because this is an area of liquidity. You can see there are a lot of stop losses residing at this low. A lot of people would have executed buy after this engulfing candle formed there. After the breakout from this resistance, price range. You can see there was price range at this point. You can see. So after this breakout, a lot of retail traders will jump in, and where would they have their stop loss? Their stop loss will be at these lows. This is where they have their stop losses. So there are a lot of stop losses residing at that low, and there's a high probability that the institutions will come for those lows. Okay, so if you're selling, your first TP should be this low, the low of this candle. That's where you should set your TP, and your stop loss should be this high. Your stop loss should be at this level or a few pips above this level. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Any question? Any question? That will be all for today's session. If there are no questions, any question? Any question? I appreciate you all for your participation. I want to believe you got value from this session. Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Please, as you trade, I always remind you, apply stop loss on all your trade. Please apply stop loss on all your trade. Don't over leverage. Don't over leverage. If you over leverage, there's a high probability you're going to blow your account. You're going to blow your hard-earned funds. Please apply good risk and money management. Grow your funds at a steady rate. If you rush, you will crash. If you rush, you will crash. Please take it slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race in this game. Okay, slow and steady wins this game. Win this game. Don't rush it, please. Don't rush it. Most of you are not that experienced, so why rushing it? You are not that experienced. Take it easy. Okay, take it easy. Don't rush it, and remain focused. Study, 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 study. Study, 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 study. Keep learning. The day you stop learning is the day you start dying, the day you start losing money. You have to keep learning. The market affords you the opportunity to learn every day, every day. Okay, it's one of the things I love trading. It affords me the opportunity to learn every day. And the day you stop learning, you start dying. You start dying. You have to keep learning. Approach the market with an open mind. An open mind. Okay. All right, guys. No questions. No questions. I appreciate you guys, and I wish you all a profitable trading day. Bye for now.